MetaGrid Pro 1.6.10 introduces a completely redesigned preset system. It's clean, powerful, and built to grow, making it easier than ever to explore, install, and stay up to date with both free and premium presets. You can open the preset screen either from Settings or directly from the Content Manager. When the preset screen opens, everything you need is right in front of you. On the left, you'll find the full library of available presets, grouped by category so you can quickly browse. On the right, details of the selected preset are displayed: a preview image, a description, tags, and the author profile. This is also where you'll see the download or purchase button. Presets come in two types: free and premium. Free presets are included in the MetaGrid Pro subscription. If you are using the free version of MetaGrid Pro, you can still download them, but the macros on the grids will remain locked. Premium presets are marked with a diamond icon and require a one-time purchase to unlock their macros. You can still download them first, preview the layouts, and decide later if you'd like to buy. A preset can contain a single grid or a workspace with multiple grids and scenes. This gives authors flexibility, from simple one-grid templates to complex multi-scene workflows. Finding the right preset is simple. Use the search bar to type a name or filter presets by tags such as platform, format, or access type. For example, if you want presets for Windows that are included in your subscription, just select Win and Included in Subscription. The list instantly narrows down to show matching presets. Active filters appear as chips at the top of the list. To clear a filter, tap the X, or tap Clear All if multiple filters are active. The Details panel gives you everything you need before downloading. Grid previews let you see the layout. Descriptions explain what the preset does. Tags show important information like platform, orientation, format, and whether the preset is editable. And author information links to the creator's profile. Premium presets display a purchase button for unlocking macros through the App Store. Until purchased, macros won't be sent to your computer. Some presets include extra links, for example, the author's website, manuals, or other resources. At the very bottom, a version information section lets you track updates and changes to your favorite presets. When you found a preset you'd like to use, tap Download. If you don't have a profile for that application, choose Install as Profile, the recommended option. Just tap Next, then Install. If you already have a profile, you can add the preset as a workspace. Tap Next, pick the profile in the Import Destination section, and install. If the preset contains only a single grid, you can install it as a grid inside any profile and workspace you choose. In all cases, installation takes just a few taps.
MetaGrid Pro also works proactively. If you switch to an application on your computer and a matching preset is available, you'll get a notification offering to install it. And every time MetaGrid Pro launches, it checks our server for new or updated presets and lets you know so you are always up to date. The new presets makes discovering, installing, and managing content easier than ever, and creates a foundation for a growing library of free and premium presets that will keep expanding over time. Thanks for watching.